Hi guys, thanks for following me as I take you on my combating the under eye bag journey. So yeah, this is basically, unfortunately, due to lack of sleep. Yeah, it's happening to the best of many of us during this coronavirus time. Anywho, let me get into sharing with you a few things about me. So I also have deep set eyes, and deep set eyes are just basically my genetic facial structure makeup, as you can see here. So I've shown you a few pictures going back from my 20s, and here's me now in my beautiful 40s, and I say that with all humbleness. I work on my skin. So anyway, I was really inspired by this young lady, Chanel Ambrose. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And she just basically went into showing some makeup tips about how to take care or to disguise and conceal those deep set eyes. However, also I've got to put it out there that I noticed a difference once I turned 35 plus. And just the technique and the way in which you conceal those bags under your eyes are different. I was inspired by Ann P Makeup and More, her video. She just really broke it down and talked about, covering up the under eyes as you start to mature. So I'm just throwing in here some before and after pictures of how I like to naturally conceal the eyes. This client, my client, who's actually 45 and just wanted to have that natural bright-eyed look. And that's really what I love. Even in my 20s, I've always been inspired to make makeup look flawless, but making it sit well on a good, healthy canvas. So let's get into it as I share some of my Frotox as in frozen. Yep, it's ice. It's just ice, baby. As I share how I use some ice to really help to prep the skin, and let's see how we work away some of these bags and the puffiness. So as you can see, I'd really like to make it a lot more glamorous and have much more details, but no. It's a no-brainer, apart from when it starts to slip out your hand because it gets so cold. But yeah, guys, there's really not much to it. Wash your face, of course. Make sure your face is clean. And OMG, let's just get into it, right? So I do find that I'm paying particular attention to my forehead because I have expressive lines. I'm very expressive, and so I just wanted to contract a bit more. When I have had less sleep, then I find that the fine lines tend to start to rear their heads a bit more. And so I'm pressing out after I've applied the ice. I am gently pressing and making the skin more taut. So I assume there's way more science to this than I am able to explain, but this is just from experience. I realized that the contracting as well as the massaging definitely helps to firm my eye. Talking about firming, I've just got to throw in this Dr. Hair. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Dr. Kaminska. This lady is hilarious. She had me just like in stitches as she goes to describe something that I've been telling women this for years. My gosh, it's so cool. It's called face yoga. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, I was inspired by my great-grandmother. She just used to constantly tell me about facial exercises. So I'm excited that this whole face yoga is now like on and popping. Check out her video. I'll leave some more information in the description box below. It's everything. She's hilarious. Look, we've got to have fun on this skincare anti-aging journey, right? Of course. All right, let's move back in over here as to what we're doing with getting rid of these under eye bags. So as you can see, I'm gently pressing and massaging outwards from the inner eye to the outward corners. I feel that this helps to move away inflammation, and the ice already, it acts like a warm-up ice warm, yeah, but anyway, you know what I mean. So the ice almost warms up preps the tissues so that it's good and it's really receptive to the massaging. So I think if you've seen any of my at-home videos, you know, I'm really a fan of that face massaging. So here I am just kneading away. It's really not an aggressive movement, guys. It's really rather relaxing. So if you've got some time, play around with it. It's enjoyable, and it's a great form of self-care and me time. So I'm patting away here on, actually it's just ice, yeah, so I'm patting away water. There's nothing else here, no makeup. Oh, tell a lie, I do have some lip gloss on. Yeah, I wanted to match, be a little purplish up in here. But yeah, this is literally just water, and I am super impressed with how I feel that this ice has firmed up my skin. And yes, I think the massage also helped to contribute. You can see I'm smiling, I am happy. So I'm gonna do the thing that we usually should be doing after we wash our face, and let's tone, neutralize, bring the skin back to a healthy 5.5 balance. I'm using a bit of pertinent movement that's just, again, relaxing and enjoying the skincare process, because if you're having fun and you love it, you're gonna do it religiously. That's what I think. And so here I just use the back of my wrist to do a bit of lymphatic drainage. It's also very, very relaxing, and who doesn't need that after they've been a bit sleep deprived? I'm gonna throw in some serum here, and again using those circular upward movements to apply product. I didn't add actually that these products, I'm not advertising or trying to sell as such, because I'm just customizing it. And I've done this for years for my clients. So this is a customized product. Maybe one day I will actually begin to what is the word? I've drawn a blank, but you know what I mean. Pitch it. But it's so customized, and it's just something I love to do personally. It's fun, and it allows me to continue this creative journey of self-care and skin enhancing. So I'm really happy, guys. I feel like I've really taken care of myself, and I guess it would be compensate. So we all know that sleeping attributes to health, wellness, and of course keeping you more youthful. So if you've had a rough night and you haven't had that, you know, it's okay to just take those moments for you and to go ahead, breathe, relax, and do something good for you. So now let me jump into showing you how I'm gently going to conceal. And I call it conceal very lightly, because it literally is a very soft coverage. I'm using my fingers because I'm trying to show you something that's so super simple. It's not complicated, and I actually take it as an opportunity to marry in my product with my skin. I am a firm, avid believer that the skin is, or should be, really 80% of the work. So then anything that you're applying over, literally, it can, I think I'm actually trying to show you here some of the areas that I'm applying. But I've lost my track. I was saying, so that it could literally be an enhancer. And the more that you are focused on doing the prep work, which is the skin work, you'll find that you're not going to have those obvious creases as much. Why? Because you don't have as much creases. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with if you've got your lines and things like that. I don't want you to beat yourself up over it. Like, we're all aging here, and to be quite frankly, you know, I've got some lines going on, but I work them out. You know, I work them out, and I suggest that if that's something that you find important, you start working out and doing things for your face, and not just relying on the next brand to take everything away. Because what a lot of people don't know is we have a lot more control in our skin glow game than we actually know, or that we give ourselves credit for. So look, I'm dancing away because I feel like, you know what, I was tired, I was puffy, but now I'm feeling really happy because I did something this morning for me. And do you see that highlight, guys, on the cheeks? That's no makeup. That's just from elasticity. So giving myself a tap on the back. And I think it's great when any woman can just tap themselves on the back for doing something for them. We all have enough going on. But if you don't do it, who else will? So until we meet again, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself and the ones that you love. Thanks for watching. Take care now.